Hello everyone, so welcome back to once again in my channel, and in this video I am going to talk about the series related to functions or formulas which you can apply in your Excel workbook. So here there's some function which we have discussed in a couple of previous videos also. Here you can put the range of value and you can add the multiple range also as per your requirement, or you can add the numbers. And same as the average is also working, and we have seen in the previous videos like how the name in sum and averages work. So let me just quickly show you in the Excel how it is. Like this is what we have. Values are written. I can just apply equal to and some function. I can open the bracket and I will. Sorry, I think I have mistaken this spelling. Sum. Okay, and I can just select the range from where I need to start it, and till now I need to go here. You can see the number 1 and the number 2 is there, so I can take it range as E3 colon E9, sorry, E8. So this will calculate the value from top to this one. Same as I can apply the average function if I want to use average. So this is an error because I have not typed the. Okay, this is structure it's giving me. You can put the range or you can push the value like E3 colon E8. So it just give an average of all the ones. These are the simple functions, and you can, once you select the range, a specific range only, you will also get the count, sum and average. Same as we have a count function here. If I can put it, count it here, count, and if I put the range that is E3 colon E8, it will count all the numbers from there. So you can see in the formula bar what functions I have applied. You can consolidate all these functions. We have a min or max functions also available. So let me quickly show you min and max also. You can put min. If I put it min it here and put the same range, okay, it will show the minimum value. If minimum value get changed anywhere, all the formulas will be recalculated. You can see anything can be changed, will be automatically calculated later on. And same as if I use a max here, this E8, okay, that will also take it the same way. If I put it 50 here, all values are change. Sum is change, average change, count is still remains in because the numbers are not get increased. Min is still remains same, and obviously the max get increased to 50. So this is what it is. These are the simple formulas, you will easily use it. Now the most important one is if function. If is used when you are trying to compare a value with some logical comparison operators, and as per the your condition, it's giving you a false or true result. The first one is, for example, you can see it here. It's if C2 equal to, C2 is the cell number, equal to yes, then 1 or 2. So if C2 is equal to yes, it will always return one value. If it is something else apart from yes, it will return a 2 value. Now, how we can use it? We can use it in the greater than, we can use it in the less than. If you are trying to calculate a result in that scenario, also we can use it. How it can work? Let me show you. If I put it here as a marks, sorry, caps is one. Okay, and marks is equal to here. I placed a couple of marks, 10, 20, 33. Right. So I want to calculate the result. Is students are passed or failed? So what I can do, I can just click on here or tap it here. If, okay, then we have to logical test value is true and then value is false. This is the formula. So I will take the cell reference as this one. Okay, the G4, the address of the cell, comma, what it will be. Condition. Condition, what is condition? Is greater than equal to 33. Okay, put the comma here. Then I want to type it pass. Quotation close. Now I put it here and then else is fail. So suppose is greater than or equal to 33, then it pass, otherwise it's fail. So I close that bracket, I pressed enter. Result, you can see it pass. This is the formula which you can see it in the formula bar is mentioned here. Now what I can do, the best part is that I can copy this formula to entire Excel anywhere. It will always execute with the reference cell in parallel to them. For example, if I scroll down this, I'm scrolling it here, you can see it's always calculating the formula. It's automatically updated G7, automatically G8. It's here, you can see it's taken G5. I put the formula for G2, but I can put it, what I can see it here, it's giving me the result. You can see 33 here pass. If I enter 32, it's fail. If I enter 34, it's pass. 50 pass. 33 pass. 60 pass. 21 fail. So this is how it will automatically calculate the result. And the formula which I mentioned is based on if condition. So with the help of if condition, you can calculate anything, whatever you want. For example, this is one I have calculated. If I want to calculate something else, I want to put value something else that can be placed it here. If I just go back and show you the formula, if formula, this is what the formula is. If, then pass, and then fail. If I click on this fx sign here, I will also get this function and the formula here. You can see this is what exactly here we have here. Okay, so that's all about if condition. And in the continuation of this, in the next part, I will continue to work on the and show you how we can use the if condition in multiple or a nested structure. I will show you that uh, in the next video. The link is in description box. From there, you can take it. My next video part. So till that time, thank you so much, and subscribe my channel and do watch and share the videos. Thank you.